Welcome to Ella Railway Station, one of the most beautiful and peaceful train stations in Sri Lanka, located in the heart of Ella. This station is surrounded by misty mountains and lush green tea plantations, trains passing through. Ella offers one of the most scenic railway journeys in the world, especially the famous route from Kandy to Badulla. Just a few minutes away, you'll find iconic places like Nine Arch Bridge and Little Adams Peak. Ella Railway Station is not just a stop, it's an experience filled with nature, calm, and unforgettable